So now we're subtracting, but we're going to kind of change it in a way. Instead of going S minus T, I'm going to go S. So we'll make that the blue one. And then I'm going to go plus, and I'm going to go opposite of T. What's the opposite of T? Positive 1, positive 2. Okay, so this is negative 2, negative 2. But here I'm going to put positive 1, positive 2. Why? Because we're subtracting. Whenever you subtract, you add the opposite. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to add the opposite. So I'm going to use these two as my vectors when I go graphing as well. Okay, now when I add them together, I go 3 and 1 is 4. And then negative 6 and 2 is negative 4. Pretty simple, right? I know how to subtract. Okay, now let's do this stuff. I'm going to do it two ways again. I'm going to do the pathway way, and I'm going to do the parallelogram way. Let's do the pathway way. So I'm going to start with this guy. Right 3, down 6. So right 3, 1, 2, 3, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So now I'm going to start right here. That's my initial point for the purple one. So let's do the purple one. Now remember, I'm doing this though. I'm doing 1, 2. I'm not going negative 1, negative 2 because we were subtracting, so I'm doing the opposite. So let's go right 1, up 2. Right 1, up 2. Is everybody cool? And then our answer? Booyah! Oh yeah! Look at that vector. Direction and magnitude. Oh yeah! You see how the arrows are pointing at the same one right here? The answer is the shortcut. And the pathway is the operation. That's the long way. Okay, now let's do the parallelogram. For the parallelogram, we're going to do our two vectors each from the origin. Okay, or I can do this and then do it the opposite way. Yeah, I can do that. Let's do it that way. Let's do two pathways for our parallelogram. So let's go right 3, down 6 first. Right 3, 1, 2, 3, down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we're gonna start. I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna do this guy. But remember, we're doing the opposite, so it's right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, and so. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna go backwards. So let's do the 1, 2 first. So now I'm going to start the origin. So I go right 1, up 2. And now let's do the blue one. Okay, the blue one is right 3, down 6. So right 3, 1, 2, 3, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey! I almost didn't even need to do that. I just needed to connect these. So what's my answer? Your answer is the diagonal right here. Hey, that's the same one as over here? Yeah, you're right. Okay. Just two different ways to draw it, I guess. And you guys need to be familiar with both because they give you guys the answers and you have to figure out what somebody did wrong. So make sure you're familiar with both ways of graphing to find the answers. In this parallelogram, the answer is the diagonal, and here the answer is whatever is the shortcut.